Tomorrow is Nagula Chavithi. It is an important festival in Hindus dedicated to Nagula, Nagadevata, serpent deities, particularly Ananta, 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 Vasuki, Sesha, Padma, Kambala, and Karkotaka. It is a profoundly spiritual event. Nagul Chavithi Tam is observed by women, especially married women, for the prosperity of their families and the welfare of their children. Welfare of their children. Nagul Chavithi children. ఇది కూడా కాదు నాగుల చవితి. Nagula Chavithi 2025 will not be in Shravana Masam. It is a separate festival that occurs in Kartika Masam on the 4th day after Deepavali Amavasya. Nagula Chavithi 2025 will be on Saturday, October 25, 2025 and falls within the Kartik month, which is later than Shravana Masam, which usually ends in last month. Shravana Masam. Varalakshmi Vratam in 2025 was observed Friday, August 8, 2025, which falls in with the month of Shravana. The festival honors goddess Lakshmi, with many women performed the ritual and the fasting to seek her blessings for prosperity, health and well-being for their families.